Students, in the previous class, we discussed about the different types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and also future type. We also discussed the first form, the first part of simple present tense, that is present indefinite or present simple. We have discussed it in the previous class. Present tense, and its first form, that is simple present or indefinite. We discussed simple present and indefinite and also the rules that follows. Today we will discuss about the second form, that is present progressive. Present progressive. Present progressive is the second form of present tense. In simple present, we discuss some rules. That is, in case of universal truth, scientific truth, laws of nature, habitual action, routine work, where we can use present simple form. Now we will discuss present progressive, where we can use present progressive. Present progressive is generally used when some action is continuing at present. The action that is continuing at present, for it we can use present progressive. For example, I am teaching. I am teaching. I am teaching. You are writing. You are writing. These are some of the examples of present tense, the present progressive, because these actions are continuing at the time of speaking. I am teaching. You are reading or writing. Now we will read some rules where we can use present progressive form. The first rule: to indicate an action which is still continuing. The action which is still continuing, that means continuing at the time of speaking. Example. First rule: the action which is continuing at present. The action which is continuing at present, in that case we can use present progressive. Example: I am teaching, you are writing. There are some examples: I am cleaning my clothes, and children are playing in the garden. In progressive form, here in this sentence, I am teaching, I is the subject, I am with the helping verb, and teaching is the ing form of the verb. The form of the present progressive the subject plus HB, auxiliary verb AB plus main verb ing form. Generally, we can write present progressive in this form: subject plus auxiliary verb plus main verb ing. Generally. Second rule: to indicate, but to show an action taking place at present time, but not necessarily at the present moment. The first rule is we talk about the action that is continuing at present. In that case, we use present progressive. And the second rule says that we can also use present progressive for an action which is continuing at present time, but not at the present moment. That means at the time of speaking. It is continuing at the present time, but it is not continuing at present moment. For example, second rule, the action which is continuing at present time, but not necessarily at the moment, but not necessarily at the moment, necessarily at the moment. Example, my daughter is studying medicine. Another example, he is building a house at SSBR. My daughter is studying medicine. That means my daughter is studying by practicing medicine, by reading, studying medicine at the present time, but not at the time of speaking. Another example is he is building a house at Saraswat. That means his house is under construction at Saraswat. Then the house is not building, but he is not building, but the house is not constructing at the time of speaking. In that case, we use present progressive form. Third rule, to indicate a future action that is going, the action which is likely to happen in future. The action which is going to happen in future, but it is not going at present, but it is not continuing at present. In that case, we can use present progressive. Third, rule 3. Rule 3. The action which is going to happen, which is going to happen, the action which is going to happen, it is not happening at the time of speaking. Example, I am leaving for Hyderabad tomorrow. I have not left for Hyderabad, but I am leaving Hyderabad tomorrow. The new series is coming soon in Sony channel. That means this channel, the series is coming soon in future time. Ravi is expecting good result in the examination. Ravi has not appeared the examination, but he is expecting good result in the examination. So these are the actions that will happen in future, but we can use present progressive form verb. Well, so the first rule is to indicate action which is still continuing. That is first rule where we can use present progressive form verb. Second rule is for the action which is continuing present time but not at the present moment. And the third rule is to for an action which is likely to happen in future. The action which is going to happen in future. rules of present progressive. Now we will read present perfect. Present perfect and its given rules. Present perfect, it is the third form of present tense. We can use present perfect for the verb for an action which has completed. The action which has completed. There are some symptoms or symbols of the action. The action which has completed in the past, but there are some symptoms. That means last action, present relevance. Present symptom, last action. But past action, present relevance. Past action. For example, someone has cleaned the house. Someone has cleaned the house. Someone has cleaned the house. Someone has cleaned out. That means now the room is clean. That means someone has cleaned out. The action has started in the past and also ended in the past. But there are some symptoms, indications. So in this case, we can use present perfect form. So what are the rules? Rule 1. To indicate a finished work that has its present impact to the कहलिमु नला past action present relevance by past action present symptom by present indication. It is the first rule. Past action present relevance. Past action present relevance. And present relevance. Relevance. A symptom. Past action present relevant by present symptom. In that case, we can use it present perfect for the verb. The second rule says that to refer to an activity or event that occurred in the past. The event by activity that occurred in the past. For example, I have been to Singapore. I have already gone to Singapore. The action has already been completed. In that case, we use present progressive. The second rule. The action that occurred in the past. For the action that occurred in the past. Occurred. OCC, you are reading. Occurred in the past. In the past. The action which is occurred in the past. In that case, we can use present perfect. To show a third, to show an action which has just completed. Action which has just completed. The action, but for the action, which have just come, which have been just come, which have just been completed, have just been completed. Just been completed. For example, he has arrived here, but the train has arrived. These are some of the examples. The fourth rule, to convey news. The Prime Minister has signed the nuclear test with the USA. The Prime Minister for news, to convey news. To say about something that happened, to convey news. The Prime Minister inaugurated has inaugurated the fair. Example, the Prime Minister has inaugurated inaugurated the fair. Inaugurated the fair. This news has been is published in the newspaper. That means the action has already happened. Fifth rule: to indicate an action that started in the past and is still continuing. The action that has started in the past and still continue. For example, I have told you many times, or something that means someone is doing something. So I remembered, but I reminded him that I have told it before many times. I have told it many times, but you are doing it again and again. In that case, we can use present perfect form of the verb. These are some of the rules of present perfect. Now we will go through the present perfect progressive. It is the last form of present progressive. Present perfect progressive. Present perfect. It is the fourth form. First is the present simple by indefinite, then the present progressive by continuous, third is the present perfect, and the fourth one is present perfect continuous. The present perfect progressive. Progressive. We can use its form subject, has or have, plus been plus pen verb ing. That is the formula. Subject or has been plus pen verb ing. Now we will know where we can use present perfect progressive form of the verb. Now we can use present perfect progressive form of the verb for the action that has started in the past and is still continuing. It has been started in the past, but the action is continuing at the time of speaking. It is continuing. That means action has started in the past, it is continuing in present, and likely to happen in future. In that case, we can use present perfect progressive form of the verb. For example, he has been working in the field. He has been working in the field since morning. He has been working in the field. We can say, but we can use present perfect progressive for an action that started in the past, continuing and present, and likely to happen in future. He has been working in the field since morning. We can say when someone is working but doing his action, his action is not completed. It has started in the past, continuing present, and likely to happen in future. Example: he has been working in the field since morning. There are also some example. The boys have been studying. It has been raining since Tuesday. And I have been living here for 5 years. I have been waiting. I have been waiting for 2 hours. I have been waiting here for 2 hours, but he has been working in the field since month. The action started in the past continuing in present and life can happen in the future. In that case, we can use present perfect progressive form. These are some of the forms, that means four forms of present tense: simple present, or present indefinite, present progressive or present continuous, present perfect, and last one is present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous. Next class we will discuss about past tense and also its different forms. Thank you very much.